Why is affiliate marketing so annoying? You watch all these videos on all these different strategies that people are so successful at, whether it's through social media or whatever other method they want to do, and it's just working for them. But then when you try it, it's not working. Like, what am I doing wrong? Well, what if I told you that that's not necessarily the case? And it's just the way you're going about it. Yes, there's a lot of competition out there. It can be oversaturated, but there's still tons of newbies getting into this affiliate marketing stuff, and it's working for them very well. So it's all a matter of how you approach it. I've tried so many different methods, some that work, some that absolutely don't work. And I can share with you my real life experiences on what you can do, what you shouldn't do, and what you can consider. Now, for those who still don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically when you promote a product or a service online and you get a commission for every sale or lead that you generate. Now, this marketing model is actually performance-based, so you only get paid when you promote and sell a product. Now, there are some pros with affiliate marketing, like the potential to have passive income. Sort of. The other pro is that there's no required skill for this. Literally anyone can do this. I mean, all it takes is just a little learning curve with how to do certain things, but pretty much anyone can do this. Like, there's really no special skill that's needed for affiliate marketing. And of course, you do have a lot of flexibility and freedom when doing these kind of things. Like, you can set your own schedule. You don't have to worry about anyone on your back. Everything's on your terms, on your time, and you can do it from literally anywhere because, I mean, it's online. Now, as far as the cons, I can say that there is a lot of competition. So you have to be able to master some strategies in order to get above the competition, but it's not impossible to succeed in this game. Another con is the initial effort that you have to put in, and you have to put some type of investment. Now, you can start with no money whatsoever. I mean, many of us have a smartphone and a computer, and that's all you really need to start initially. Over time, you're gonna see that you're gonna start using certain softwares or programs that do require some sort of investment, but don't be alarmed, it's not gonna break your pockets. The other con, I guess you could say, is the dependence on affiliate programs. Your success is tied to the company's success. So it's like, as long as they're doing good and you're helping them do good, then, you know, everyone makes money, everyone wins. So on the surface, affiliate marketing is to simply put a product out there online and hope that people click on it, buy it, and you can get a commission. But I'm gonna tell you right now, do not be the one to just grab a link and just slap it anywhere and think that somebody is gonna click on it. That method probably never worked. And whoever told you that that's how you can do it, they're lying to you. Think of it this way. You're not gonna buy a product that you don't know about. You're not gonna click on some weird link that came out of nowhere, especially with all the spam that goes on online nowadays. You're not gonna click on it, right? So why do you think that someone is gonna click your random link that just pops in front of their screen? So you have to put in some type of effort when it comes to promoting these products. Now, how do you do that? Well, very simple. You start creating content. And when I say content, I don't mean you have to put yourself in front of a camera. You don't have to create a video. Some people just don't want to do those kinds of things. Maybe you're a writer. Maybe you're a writer and you love to write, you love to type, you love to create blogs, you love to create articles. That's just another way that that you can get eyes on a product that you're trying to promote. When you read about reviews, when you read articles on certain products, that's how some of these people get paid. When you click on their link, once you're interested in what you read. Now, me myself, I've tried social media, Instagram specifically, and that is how I made it work for me in terms of affiliate marketing. I created posts promoting a particular product, and that's what worked for me. I was able to generate income, and yeah, I mean, it was great. Consistency is key when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can't just create something and set it and forget it. This is not a set it and forget it type of business, which is why I said in the beginning of this video that it was sort of passive. I can tell you from experience. And that's what the viewer or the reader wants to see: consistency. They're following you for a reason. They follow you because you gain their interest. They like the information that you put out. So you need to keep feeding them so that you can continuously see success. So don't get lazy, don't get complacent, keep the ball rolling. So I know affiliate marketing can be annoying, it can feel impossible to do, but trust me when I tell you that as long as you remain consistent and you get with the right strategies, then you'll be just fine. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that you saw some value in this, and hopefully it encourages you to get started with affiliate marketing. I'm telling you, there's nothing scary about affiliate marketing. There's nothing impossible when it comes to affiliate marketing. The affiliate marketing industry is actually growing. There is no decline, and especially with everything being online, AI taking over, affiliate marketing is just getting stronger and stronger. So is it too late to hop on this affiliate marketing bus? Absolutely not. And I suggest you start as soon as today. If you have any concerns or even any questions, just leave it down in the comment section and I can respond to it accordingly. And trust me when I tell you, I've seen success in affiliate marketing. You can too. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of information as far as making money online, ways to make money outside of the house, creating different side businesses. This is what I talk about in this channel. So if you like that kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and I will do my best to not disappoint you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Take care.